Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Grow with Ranjit Raj. Today we are going to share something very interesting. I was very excited and I was waiting for this for a long time. And if you are someone who loves Canva just like me, I'm sure you were also waiting for this. So today we are going to talk about all the updates, all the October 2023 updates that has come into Canva, and these are all AI related magic updates. So these are going to be amazing. Make sure you watch the video till the very end because I have covered all of the updates. So go ahead and watch it, and whichever you like the most, make sure you mention in the comment section. Now we are in the Canva dashboard, and just in case you are new and you do not know how to work on Canva or you want to learn how to use Canva, you can go ahead and check out the video. I am adding it. It's a full tutorial on Canva. So link will be in description. You can check it out and you can start from basic level from that video itself. Now let's get started and check out all the Magic Studio discoveries that we have from Canva in this particular month. So once I click on this is the home page, by the way. So here at the bottom, it will say try our newest features. When you click on this option, the very first one, you will get to see all these. Okay, so here basically it's just you are getting a gist of how these things work. So what I have done is instead of coming here, I will straight away go one by one. Okay, so the first thing is magic design. So when you click on that, this basically means that if you give a command, if you give a prompt, it will design something for you. Let's do that. I'll click on try magic design, and here you can give the prompt. Okay, so let's say I'll write design a portfolio presentation for, let's give a random name for Sam as a graphic designer. Okay, so let's see what it is suggesting. So you will see here, it's giving a lot of suggestions when it comes to templates. And under magic design, it is also here it's written, see, design a portfolio presentation for Sam as a graphic designer. Okay, so Sam's portfolio, all of these things will appear, and it will give you suggestions also that if you want, you can choose some of these templates which are already available. Now based on whether you have free or pro, you can just get inside and you can use it. You can design anything. Okay, this is just an example. You can design stories, you can design posts, whatever you feel like. You just give the command and you can design from there. Next is your magic switch. Now this is really interesting. Let me show you. So here, let me directly go to try magic switch. What happens is here you have any kind of design, any presentation, you can change it to a different format altogether. Okay, so this is a recent project that I did for my it's a little kid in my family and he wanted this and I helped him with this. So what if I want this project, this entire presentation to be changed into a text format? So what I'm going to do is I'll just click on magic switch at the top section, and here it gives me an option to transform. Okay, so I clicked on transform into document. Now what kind of document do you need from this? Do you need a summary? Do you need the text, all of the text? Do you need a blog post, email, poem, song lyrics, whatever you feel like? Let's say this time I'll go for a blog post. Okay, so out of this, how can I write a blog post? I'll click on transform, and then the magic will happen, and you will see it will give you an option to open it, and from there you will be able to see the entire thing. Okay, so it might take a little longer because there are so many pages here. It has 14 pages, so it'll take a little time, but it's the results are amazing. Also, if you are someone who is into Canva and you love Canva, then make sure you like this video if you find it useful, and you share with your friends and families, and make sure you subscribe, because if you need more and more videos like this, you have to subscribe to our channel Grow with Ranjit Raj. Let's just wait while this magic happens. Okay, it's done. So I'll click on open document and it's all set. See, understanding business partnerships, a comprehensive guide. And then you have the entire document, word to word, whatever is written there. Now it is in your text format. I wish it was there when I was in school and college, because it would have been so helpful. But yeah, this is how you can use this particular option. All right. After this, let's go back to home page. Next, we have Magic Media. Now, this is very interesting. I'll click on this and click on Magic Media. Now what happens is on left hand side, when you come here, you will see that here a magic media option is added. In case it is not added for you, you can go to apps and here just search with whatever you are searching for. Let's say I will go with magic media. You can click and it will come to your this section. It will be saved. Okay. Now what happens is whatever you write, okay, in terms of both images and videos, it will be generated for you. Let me add a new page. And here, let's say I want to include a video. Here, what is the command? It says alien planet concept art. Okay, let's say, let's write that. Alien planet concept art. Okay, alien, and that's it. Generate video. So, with the use of AI, it will be able to create a video which looks like the prompt that I've given. And just imagine this is so incredible because normally when it is AI, you have to go to different platforms to generate videos and pictures. But here it's all integrated at one place, and you can create amazing videos. The video has been generated. Let me add a new page and let's see how it looks like. So if I just drag and drop and play the video, let's play. Oh wow, that looks amazing. That actually looks like an alien kind of a planet. That's great. There's no music, but that's okay. In terms of images, also, let's say I want to search with warrior man. Okay. And this warrior man, you can select the style also. So let's select dreamy. Okay. And what should be the photo like? So I'll take portrait and then create your image. So just like Mid Journey gives you four options in AI, here also you will get four photos that you can choose from. So I've given a very simple prompt. In case you are someone who needs a lot of prompts, you can go and check on Google, check on ChatGPT. But look at the results. Wow. So this is picture number one. Look at it. It looks beautiful. Wow. Okay, I have another one. Then there is this one, and there is this one. All of them are incredibly beautiful. And just imagine these kind of images you can generate on Canva itself. So hats off. All right, that is your this option, that is Magic Media. Then this is really interesting, Magic Grab. Now what is that? Magic Grab is actually magic because sometimes you have pictures from where there are elements, you want to extract the element. So what you do, you just remove the background. But again, there is a problem because maybe sometimes we need the background and not the image on the top of it or the element on the top of it. So for instance, I want this sky to be a blank sky. Okay, what do I do? I'll just select this. I'll go to edit photo and click on magic grab. Now this is a pro option, but it's really interesting. See, immediately this is removed and now I can place it here. How is that? Let me show you one more option. Okay, so let's go to photos and let's search with okay, these kids, these are really cute kids. What if I want them out of this particular background? Okay, I want to use this background for myself, let's say. So I will just select the picture, go to edit photo and grab. You will see that both the kids will be removed from the picture. Can you see that? That's incredible. And this background right now, you can place any other person on the background. It will look like a real picture. I'll show you how. Let me duplicate it. Let's remove the children from here and I'll go to photos and let's take this beautiful girl right here and let me remove background. Okay, gone. So if I cover the whole page with this background and if I just place her in the corner, it will look like she was a part of this particular design. Okay. And for these children, if I need any kind of background, let's say I have this background, I'll just position will be to back and then I can place them like this and it will look like they are sitting in front of the sunset, some seating space altogether. So this is a really cool option because you can extract any kind of object from your design. So the next option that we have is Magic Write. So I'll click on that and this is really interesting because instead of going to Chat GPT, you can directly come here and you can start writing. So let's say I'll just add a text. Shortcut is T, or you can take a text from here also. Let's say I have this text. Okay. You click on that and click on magic write. And this text can be anything. Let's say I want to write 5 ways to stay healthy. Okay, let's say this is my topic. I'll click, I'll get magic write, and I'll say continue writing. And it'll write a whole paragraph for me. So I can use this in as a content. Okay, for my carousels, for any kind of content for that matter. Let's say I don't want it to be this big. Okay, it's too much content. So what do? I'll go to magic write and I'll ask it to summarize it so that it will decrease the amount of text in it. And now see, it has been summarized to just a paragraph. Okay, so this is an incredible option. Next up, we have Magic Morph. Now, this is very creative. You come here and just follow the prompts. Okay, here it's written that this you click on this star. Okay, this is an element. You have to choose a very, very simple element, by the way. Okay, because they are still in beta mode, so they're working on it. So you click on that, you come here and you describe what you need. Let's say I'll write golden, like here it's written milky line matte balloon. I don't want it. I need golden matte balloon. Okay, and magic more. So let's see what it does to this particular shape. And you will get, again, just like my journey, you will get 4 results, out of which you can use whichever you feel like using. Let's see how it works. Oh, wow. So we got our, 4 options. This is still loading, but I think I got the one that I need. I'll go with this. So I can remove this and now I can just place this one like that. How cool is that? After that, what do we have? We have just a few more. This is magic design for presentations. So it's very easy. This was there, and still, again, it is actually getting high. So basically, it's just you need to write what exactly you want them to show. So I will ask it to write a pitch for graphic designer. Okay, that's it. Now you will see that here it's loading. It will tell you that this is the presentation that you should go for. Okay, let me add a new page so that you can see. So see, here is an option called creating beautiful designs, a graphic designing startup. This is one option. Then you come here, designing future, design that speaks your a pitch for graphics. So all kind of related stuff, whatever, and not just one page. These are multiple pages. Designing the future, a pitch of for a graphic designer. So it gives you an idea that where should I start? And once you start, of course, you are already good at it. You will just make it better. But it gives you a very, very good idea that how should you start your presentation. Okay. So that is magic presentation. Then comes magic expand. This is super. So here you have any photo, you just increase the size of it and it will increase the size. Okay, I'll show you. Let's find flowers. Okay, or let's find bouquet. Bouquet. Okay, I want something which is not complete. So this one is not complete, right? It is half of the bouquet. So I will go to edit photo. I will click on magic expand and then I will just click on whole page. And let's see how it covers the entire page. I'm not sure because it's a big page, but let's see what it does to make sure that my this photo covers the entire page. Oh, wow. I am trying it myself the very first time. Look at the results. Oh my God, this is amazing. I did not know this. This is the first time I'm trying this with you guys. Let's try something else. Okay, let's see if this works with on a person as well or not. So what if I write a woman's image where let's say I find something where a little bit of her picture is there and I want to add. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, because here her entire face is visible, body is visible. But what if I want to expand it a little more? So I'll go to edit photo and I'll go to magic expand and whole page and magic expand. Now let's see what it does, because that was a uh, it was a thing, right? But here there's a person involved. So I want to see that how AI comes into the magic scenario and it creates the body of a person altogether. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. It looks like it's her. It doesn't look like that this is artificially added. The coat, the clothing, this curve, it looks amazing, man. I mean, wow. This is a very, very cool option. You should definitely try it out. And if you try it and create something amazing, make sure you share it with me. Tag me on Instagram at the rate Ranjit Raj official. I would definitely share it in my stories. This is so cool. Then we have, what do we have next? We have magic edit. Okay, this is also very interesting. So what happens is you select the thing, whatever you want to replace or you want to change, and you can swap it with a different product altogether. So if I click on this, okay, let's say this is the bag and I want to just increase the brush size. I will just cover this entire bag. Okay. And let's say I want to change it into, here it says fluffy fox fur. I don't want that. Let's write black leather bag. Okay. And generate. Now, I have not tried this as well, but let's see what it does. I've just seen an ad where, not ad, I saw it in a video. Oh, look at that. This looks so real. See, it looks like that it's a real bag which was there in place of this pink, the green bag, right? So, yeah, it is interesting. Let's try something else. What if I add a different photo? Okay, do we have a cake? Okay. Or let's search with cake in hand. Somebody is holding it. So, yeah, this is nice. Or we can also go with this photo, okay, where there's a cake that is there in the plate. But what if I'm working with a client and she's into, let's say, not this kind of cake, she's into cupcakes. Okay, I have to replace it. What do? I go to edit photo and I click on magic edit and then increase the size of the brush so that you can quickly cover this. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? If even if it's, see, some of it is covered extra, so that's okay, don't worry. Continue, and this I will replace with a cupcake. And so for these kind of product shoots, it takes a lot of money, it takes a lot of time if you actually want it to be reshoot the whole thing. But with this, I think it'll, oh, look at the clarity. It's amazing. Look at that. Wow. I love this one. I love the first one. It doesn't even seem like there is something wrong with the fork here, but nobody will notice that. Honestly, if you look at the picture here, okay, I don't think hardly anyone will notice that the fork is slightly moved or something like that. And if I go to the original photo, this is the original photo. Just look at that. It looks like this is, I mean, both of them are real. It seems like that, isn't it? So that's, oh my God. I don't know how many times I have said amazing in this particular tutorial, but I'm amazed. Then we have magic animate. This is interesting because what happens is when we design a presentation, we find it very difficult to find the right kind of animations for our presentation. So here, what they have done for us, you don't have to worry. Whatever suits the best, automatically you can do the auto animation thing. You don't have to do it individually. So if I go here and if I click on magic animate, they have decided that digital is the best option for this kind of graphic. So see, automatically if I present it, okay, this presentation, because there's a lot of text, see, this is all automatically done. I have not done anything. These are all different kind of animations. These popping out, this text is happening like that. So all of it is done by AI. So you can also do that. It's very simple. You just go to animate option and at the top you will find magic animate. You just click and you're sorted. Okay. Next up, we have the last thing for this video, that is magic design. So what is it? You basically add few pictures and then you decide that, okay, what exactly you want to be, you want to happen with to those few pictures. So for that, let me see if I have a few photos. So let's say these are the testimonials that I got. Okay, so what if I want to just create a video out of it? Okay, so let's say one, two, I'll add three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Let's add 10. Okay, one more, this. And then it will be create a video saying thank you for the amazing, again I'm saying amazing, but let's go with it, amazing feedback or amazing reviews to my uh, Canva master class. Okay, let's try. Let's see whether it's still in work mode, but let's see how it defines and how it creates content and writes. I think it adds text as well automatically. Whatever you can change it, but it gives you insights that okay, you can do this, this, this. So let's see what it does. Okay, so it's done. Let's check out. Music is added also. Transitions are added. So let me directly play it and see how it goes. Okay. Wow. So can you see how cool is that? So you just need to adjust the pictures a little bit. Yes, that is true. But other than that, I think it's amazing. Like you didn't have to do half of the work. Okay, it's all sorted. So if you just go ahead and decrease the size of the page, okay, and just make sure that your text is properly visible, and then you add your text, I think you're sorted. So you can put something like this, and these beautiful stickers and all can come here. And just imagine how nice it'll look, and it created a whole content out of that. And this is just this, what if it's somebody's birthday, you just upload the photos over here for the person, and then you're sorted, you create a video like that. Do a few changes, because rather than starting from scratch, it's much easier when you have something in place, right? So I think, if you ask me, I love all the features, but if you want specifically, if there is something that is my favorite, then I think this magic grab is actually incredible. And magic morph is also very, very cool. In fact, magic media is also something that I will spend a lot of my time in. And you should also go ahead and check it out and check out how it works. If you like the video, go ahead and like. And I'm looking forward to more subscriptions so that, it will actually help me motivate me to create more videos. If you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section. I would love to help you. Or if you have any suggestions that you need video on something specific, let me know in the comments. I will make sure that I will create a content on that. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great time ahead. We will meet soon in the next video. Thank you.